Bibi who asasi so yes. Bibi market. Ena dey see. Abra ko esi kwa yie no. Oba ye no bra ko esi so ban sesa because obura no bobro. Ahonhom na atwama no. Ahonhom ni demons ho no ye adwuma. They will preach over there. Yes no ye ni wie ye ma me ye ni wie ye no. Afubon say bibia ye basa di ofra brekye kura bok ekọ ye no wo complain say biba ye de nyoma nya kura me nim de ekoso. Afei munti asem ni yi ewiase kasa mienu ena misra se mensu ye bida so ebi wo mu a misra ba se untu sa honhom no firi wo mu. You see, what can you do? Do you know me? What can you do?
Okay.
That two word we.
E dey na obi ye de batwe che say e dey na obetimi aye me. And I dey na obetimi aye.
Do you know me?
Wouldn't me. Welcome to Rejoice Media TV. My name is DJ Ion, social media ambassador. On the program called the Youth Palace, the Spiritual Realm. We are in another episode. So just go back, watch what we did previously. Come watch this one. If not, you deceive yourself. Big shout out to anyone watching me. From me, I have got also Western North, BA. God bless my mommy, my comfort. Precious stone. That year so Western North ni petom die open super pa precious stone. What I say? Me and my business. Me and my nsu na isan from precious stone ba. What I say? Aha. Enti yenya wa hade na o se me chia me boss so Mr. Erikus. Na futuo di to me any encouragement I dey ma me no. Prophet Okompa Ibuma na waka me boss. Na ma Mariam so nyame hira. Ono so donations normal Hinterland Ghana Foundation nti obi obubuani obi a wo hospitals unyiamwa ukọ YouTube Facebook akobo Hinterland Ghana Foundation Sister Mariam obeje oso na oba beboa obi a wodua no obeba beboa no so contribution wo dwumade yedi mu ye ja ye cameras ne na sefo aye wo nyina no ene na futuo a odituye de bia o ka kire me ai say o bo abrabo de utimi bo na mum so rasha beti big time but bia ye to kwase ani ambrase me dem wase eni mafutu na ye ko jimadi ne so no se mancha wa fa che me ye ko yenim no ye wo so wonchi a we beba ye ko yenim no prophet o ma ye ti asese yes where won there are some places are very risky ye ba spiritual realm. What are these places?
For TME, what do you are giddy force, baby, woman, like Christopher? Subai ba. Say, yen is soft one and catch it into the woods.
Okay.
A cinemedy, if I would be home.
No, correct.
The woman said, the soft one or bay will be unconscious mission. Nemo one no note, and I want to say, and yen soft one a kind to me, the Nimby. Now, David drew on the bones that minimum can be seen the way. See, we see who be no bitchery. Sadia was soft for no, when day. Never did someone so. Santin or no so, when him say Yamisa will be so, and so invited the banana sorry.
Okay.
All the identity. Until be a down for you, be a down for now, or soft for Yama down for, and no chill say, you may come. Will see, a chilly, a bed, a bow, and a one pound to Tracy Camp to Siena.
Okay.
Bibi who asasi so yes. Yes.
A funeral like any corporal for man, funeral dance.
Bibi market. Ena day I see.
Now okay, you find one by one. I didn't ma a yasi there's a good beer when you quay na you. You were with this woe now a bad sena a hook you
for the 40 assembly. Bible school be over home and call. Okay, I can not hear if he na ni pana e da hwa yesi no bibia ye ni pana to no ahoho nyina be fie ne na tumi bia onkaje ye nyina beba sa ni pana so no woni tumi bi wa pam asa tumi kro no be yere e beba na ti obi adamfo so ye obi adamfo ye nkogya nti o muso nkrofo be wa be yere beba bi jaw ma hoho beba bi jaw na ti asemani yi ubon se abra kwame na ekọ ayi no ana fifi kwa ayi no And a bra is sequel, or buy and a black with his because a brand of opera. A home not Traman said no, a branch who will be the second person to die. They're marking 300 say. Okay, a year free, said Aquaway. A year sin almost will be shared a cow, as with him so Shakawa could do. Sabi. Yes, you will quite anybody in the business in your dream beam. I won't only demons on me, they will preach over there. Yes, and ye, man, ye, know. A few bones say, the Pia bastard, you frabble, you grab a coin and will complain. Say, the buyer, the human Yakora, and name the Ecoso. Okay, yes, I won't win so beba in your beba. I won't make your son song beba. A beer the panel, yatetto, and you do be a shako. That to me now, yes, I do them out on so baby. Okay. Well, it is Sunday morning and to what we quay in Arsenal, Mr. Opa. Got it. Okoba say, got it. Now, what in a home when I had a weapon is with room. Okay. Then, yes, sir. The air banner, we dread the air banner. It be a maybe a yin move. Now, start also. Okay. And I want to study with a girl quite yes. Na ye na wakono all of a sudden we share guy we nim dey buy ship o makoda the first time we nim no e bia ship o makoda if you okono I when the friend pen we dey mikunu wa okay you see we yase it e ye die e dangerous all right ye men kase men kwa yi ye kwa yi ni mum ye kwa yi ye boaboa ye ho ne akọ ko hom na oti wono so nchen ye because the oti mu no so hyen is ahom kono no ewrade won kunkuru tie mu eni ye nim apankyira ye yu aye de kotere yi ase
okay enkola na ese enkola nko yi ase na nso se ne ni okọ yi ase ye enkola ni age afa mabuni me kasa maburu because ya bra bon me bi e fa no aya na ebisi an se dio se kwa me despatch mo ne kosi pom ne befo aka no me ko mo no mo akodi nkomodi na mum ye bisa senti ese no mabra boko se ana e de kwa na but e je se bibi wo okọ yi ase se ye mranti ni age agina mu e ba se ye kwa amana e ba se ye di asa e ba se ye bibia mranti ya na agina mu enti tie na wo se ye na hono ya ko fa mo boni
I mean there is some time ago na me share come a program bi and I really catch him sister na out na we were the four ono bobo si akwara we adwuma kese ene wahwe ase ana bibi Sarah de say ra na eba ne say na sister yi ene wahwe ase ene really catch him say ye yi bia okoye ye ne maame yi na yi no ono da to adaka gigine mu ye bibi bia okay ene wahwe ase enka de fe si e wo kura wo maame fancy ne mo made nyina ne se ne nua ne mu bi ni ko e se ye nua wo mu ade o be se ogie ne mu nyam ye ne mu nyam okay o mu mutamsika ya ba se ye mfanye we yi okay eyi na nka wo koye na mansa esese nka wo ti ase se ka kyenze me ni me nua no isika yiru ba wadi yesi we ne se me na me ye yi no okay eno ti no mo yi wa hwe won okay ebi ba be nim yehu ya catch was it and I'm see so the ere e be bu okra otimi disika na hide show brother penyisem okay go for koye oye penyu famano okay koye ba wa kwala ke to no wagi ade nim na kuku a na ere adwamansa wato bibia free nkran wo no na ye adwuma wa asese we oye ne ma me yi oye na ase yi am obi e say we dey oye je na se ni pa kro no wonti to mi bi so okay wonti to mi bi so na wo yes ade no na wonti to mi bi so na wo de hoakwa wo ho de adue okay si ade ne babuwa afei wonti asem ni yi ewiase kasamienu ena misra se mensu ye bida so ebi wo mu a misra ba se wontu sa honhom no firi wo mu na esiwi you see what can you do you know me what can you do
okay
that two word we
e dey na obi ye dey ba twa che se e dey na obi timi aye me ana dey na obi timi aye
do you know me
wonnim me
and try that
okay
and no more to me that you say word no
okay
go aye be before obetimi you some na nyonko be before obu a we malam obetimi e power to power o mo kire to me bi okay nti wonni hwe enam se wonnim die mo no bi so wadwe mo do Frozen kono wadie na obetimi ayamie. Hey! Tena ho na owura dem aba. Okay. Enche. Na fi bia start say to nyoma ye yoyi. Na mo kasa yo sua kasa. Kasa. Sia.
Na chi say ye na say won say bia ntokwa bi kokosi na say basa. Ni kwan say sa kasa.
Dabi sua kasa.
Okay. All right, enti ye free ye na say. Me ba cho obusua betimi do comment ayi aba. Un say mrenti di mrene agement ye ntimi nko deep pray. But say wonya question bia wonya bibia. Hwe no ase ho. Na ye mra ne ye den ye mechichi mu nchiro. Next time you ba o comment in be ba be dey e be ho adwuma. Prophet, na wo kase asiye ye kwakusie nipa eje wo hu ne ye kwakusie. Ye nyina ye kwakusu ye sie wi aba. Ene mi kura de kura sign the camera ko twa. Ye ba wi a sinso so be ne san wo bi ama ho yi.
Order 40 assembly ye inshira inyamedia. Asiye na ye kono obi nkomma bi.
Okay,
ya chini sunsumate ho.
Okay. Esi ye wona ye kono bi nkoma bi me chini sunsumato. Ye bese ya ba beto aso. Hwe because ye di kan church ye no mu hwe okasa ye. So okasa na se woni nipa na the we abekasa na no aye den. Wo hwe because woni mu hu aye den edinachi. Ye ko asi ye ho. Asi ye ho nsem no. San ehwe ye basisi ye. What you say? Aha. Maka che se ba ko no nya hwe ya ko hwe anse na ba behwe we because ye didi so. I Rejoice Media TV. Koshe na like, share na fama unia ya kramo.